Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha and I'm a qualified nutrition and weight management consultant. And today in this video, I want to be talking to you about how not to overeat in Ramadan. Yes, how not to overeat in Ramadan. So let's jump into it. You see, in order to avoid overeating in Ramadan and also avoid indigestion, because when you overeat, you tend to indigest as well. Yeah, your stomach will give you problem in most cases. You don't want to be overeating like this guy here. In order not to do that, so what you need to do is to eat smaller amount of food. Yeah, quality small amount of food gradually. Over the iftar period, when you've broken your fasting, eat smaller amount, quality food gradually, not the quantity. Yeah. So as soon as you start to feel full, just step away from the food. Yeah, step away. Start with a glass of water and dates. Yeah, that will make you feel full. The Prophet ﷺ said, man does not fill any vessel worse than his stomach. Yeah, there's nothing worse than filling your stomach. So what you need to do is smaller gradually and then step away from the food. And you can always come back and eat later when you feel hungry. But if you're around the food, the tendency is to eat more. So you go and do your Salatul Maghrib, and then at that time, your stomach has gone down, then you can come back for it. Yeah? So what you need to do, you don't want to eat like this people are eating here. Wrong way of eating. No way. You don't want to eat like that. So what you want to do is start with a glass of water, yeah, and dates, and then minimum you give it about 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes after drinking water, then you can eat. Yeah, so go and do your salah, and then you can come back, sit down, and get on with it. Yeah, so also point number 2, in order to avoid this overeating business, is to plan your meal ahead of time. Yeah, sometimes for me, I plan my meal maybe a month ahead. Yeah, I cook and freeze it so that I don't run out of healthy food. So some people do it weekly, some people even just leave it until 2 hours, 3 hours, or in a day. In the morning they do it. So whatever suits you, whatever is better for your lifestyle, you can go for that. Yeah, so what you need to do, you want to prepare that salad maybe 2 hours before time. You want to prepare that those fruits maybe an hour before time, and then and then lay them down on the table. Yeah, so put them down on the table and you'll be fine. When you're eating, it's all surrounded by healthy food, healthy options only, and then you can go for that. So also in this video, I am giving you some healthy soup, like the molecular soup here, the green one. I do eat it, and the other one also, the prawn soup, is really tasty. So you should go for that. So what you need to do, you click the link below this video, put in your name and email address, and then you can go ahead and download it. They're really, really nice. So you should do that. Yeah, so don't forget to share and like this video. Also watch out for my next video, whereby I'll be giving you more tips on how not to overeat. You take care now, and talk to you soon. Happy iftar.